Okay, hey folks, you made it to the end. You're at the end of chapter 7. So what did you learn this week? Okay, so first you learned about a couple of periods in Europe, right? So you learned about the Empire period, also the beginning of the 19th century. So you learned about the Empire period, the Directory period, and the Romantic period. You learned about some garments for women, and you see how much change from 1800 to 1850. And when we get to next week, when we talk about the 50s through 1900, we have not only we have a major revolution in there. When I say revolution, we have the Civil War in there, but we also have the invention of the sewing machine, which changes things up. So we're going to talk about that next week. And then you also got to see some garments for men. You got to talk about the fabric, and you also got to see how important clothing for enslaved Africans were in the southern states. And then you got to see how Napoleon carried everything on his back. He had a whole slew of things that he had in his suitcase going off to war, right? And then, of course, you got to see some getting dressed in videos as well. So, like I said, moving forward to next week, we'll cover the 1800s to the 1850s. And like I said, we will see not only how cotton becomes king, right? We'll see King Cotton, but you'll also see how the Civil War actually changed ready-to-wear garments, right? So we'll see that again for next week. All right. See ya.